It's one past the hour, time now to analyze the tropics. We do have several things that we're watching right now. Of course, we have a couple of tropical storms. We have a depression. We also have other waves that we're paying attention to, too, and I'll get to all that in a minute. Here are the 2016 storm names. We made it already through Julia, which is still spinning there close to South Carolina. Carl would be the next name on the list, and Lisa, and perhaps Matthew. Of course, one of our producers here would like us to get to Matthew. I hope we don't have too many more named storms, but it looks pretty active right now. We are watching several different areas. There is Julia, there's Ian, and there's tropical depression number 12. Plus there is another low pressure that will eventually come off the coast of Africa, a tropical wave that does seem to have a possibility for formation several days away. And then we have another area that's in the Gulf of Mexico. However, it has very low chance, if any, for any tropical formation. But this low has a lot of moisture with it. It's moving toward Texas. And some of that moisture is being drawn into Julia. The reason why we're continuing to have a pretty high chance of showers and storms in our forecast, since Julia has drawn that moisture right across the state. Here's Julia, tropical storm, 40-mile-an-hour wind, moving northeast at 6. Has slowed down because of high pressure that's built in from the north. And there's some indication that it's going to do a little loop there in the Atlantic and come out to the ocean and back toward the coastline because of a trough of low pressure or a front that'll help push high pressure out of the way. And it'll go out into the Atlantic, then gather some strength, and then loop back as high pressure builds back in toward the coast of South Carolina, and then eventually weaken. So since it's going to stay kind of swirling in the same area close by, we're going to continue to have heightened chance of showers and storms over the next couple of days. Tropical storm Ian continues to move northward at 17 miles an hour. It is starting to transform a little bit, probably become subtropical as it gets more in northern latitude. No need to worry there at all. But we may have some large swells coming in along our ocean, along our shores because of Ian, even that far away. Tropical depression 12 is 35-mile-an-hour wind. It looks a little more organized lately, but it's still very broad circulation at the moment. It's moving west northwest at about 15. The forecast track continues it on its west course. We strengthen it into a tropical storm, then weakens it and strengthens it again because of the environment it's going to be going through. Of course, we're going to keep tracking it, and we'll let you know the progression there. Mid-70s overnight tonight for our lows. We'll have an isolated shower in our forecast, but then tomorrow, chance of rain goes up to 60% in the afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees due to peaks of sunshine help to heat us up. Friday, much of the same, with a 50% chance of showers and storms. Next 7 days, we're going to hold that into Saturday as temperatures get up to around 91 degrees this weekend. Chance of rain will eventually come back down to more what we normally expect this time of the year, 40% chance in the afternoon on Monday and Tuesday as our highs remain right around 90 degrees. I'll be back in just a few more minutes after the top of the hour with your weather headlines. Otherwise, hope you enjoy your rest of your evening. Take the umbrella tomorrow.